was a gloomy night in the small town of Ravenswood. The wind whispered through the ancient trees, casting eerie shadows on the deserted streets. Nestled at the end of Elm Street was an old mansion, long abandoned and shrouded in mystery. Locals referred to it simply as the Dark House. The Dark House stood like a silent sentinel, its windows boarded up, and its once grand facade now weathered and worn. The townsfolk whispered tales of the cursed history that surrounded the mansion. Legend had it that the original owners, the Holloways, were driven to madness by a malevolent force that dwelled within its walls. Curiosity, as it often does, got the better of four adventurous friends, Emily, Mark, Sarah, and Jake. One fateful Friday night, armed with flashlights and the thrill of the unknown, they decided to explore the Dark House. The wind howled as they approached the creaking front door, which seemed to open on its own as if beckoning them inside. Once within, an oppressive silence enveloped them. The air was thick with an otherworldly energy that sent shivers down their spines. The friends nervously exchanged glances but pressed on, their curiosity fueled by the ominous atmosphere. The grand foyer echoed with each step, the floorboards groaning beneath their weight. The air was cold, and a chilling draught seemed to follow them through the decaying halls. They stumbled upon a room draped in dusty, moth-eaten curtains. As they cautiously drew them aside, the moonlight revealed an old piano, its keys yellowed with age. The haunting melody of a piano echoed through the house, though no one played. The friends froze in terror, exchanging wide-eyed glances. As the spectral music continued, a cold hand seemingly emerged from the shadows, pressing the keys with an otherworldly precision. The friends, paralyzed with fear, could do nothing but listen to the ghostly serenade. The atmosphere grew heavier as the friends ventured deeper into the Dark House. Unseen whispers echoed through the halls, telling tales of despair and sorrow. They stumbled upon a long-forgotten library filled with ancient books bound in cracked leather. The pages rustled on their own, revealing passages of a sinister past that mirrored the town's whispered legends. Suddenly, the temperature dropped, and the friends found themselves in a pitch-black room. Their flashlights flickered and died, leaving them stranded in the dark. Panic set in as their attempts to find an exit proved futile. A guttural growl echoed through the blackness, sending shivers down their spines. Out of the darkness emerged a figure, shrouded in tattered robes. The friends, now consumed by terror, realized they were not alone in the Dark House. The figure approached with slow, deliberate steps, its eyes glowing with an otherworldly malevolence. As it drew closer, the friends could see the twisted features of a face lost to time. With a ghastly voice, the figure spoke, recounting the tragic tale of the Holloways and the curse that bound them to the Dark House. The friends, paralyzed by fear, listened as the figure revealed its true identity, the vengeful spirit of the Holloway patriarch, condemned to eternal torment within the mansion's walls. The friends pleaded for mercy, but the spirit's rage intensified. The very foundation of the house seemed to shake as the apparition unleashed its wrath. Desperate to escape, the friends ran blindly through the pitch-black corridors, the vengeful spirit in relentless pursuit. As they burst out into the moonlit night, the Dark House seemed to sigh with a spectral relief. The friends, shaken and traumatized, stumbled away from the cursed mansion, vowing never to speak of the horrors they had witnessed. The Dark House, once again shrouded in silence, stood as a testament to the lingering malevolence that could never be escaped.